Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can create flow pattern without copying the existing one. So in previous tutorial, I gave you the overview of payroll flow pattern. Under that, I explain how what are the component of the payroll flow pattern, the parameter of the flow pattern, and how we can create the flow pattern with copy the existing payroll flow pattern. So let's start. In payroll flow pattern, you have some predefined tasks, and there are two types of tasks, single and multiple. Under the single task, you have recalculate payroll for retroactive payroll, calculate payroll, and run gross to net report. And under the multiple task, you have expedited payroll flow, payroll cycle, and simplified payroll cycle. For example, use the expedited payroll flow pattern to identify, calculate, and make expedited payments. So let's move on to the application for creating the payroll flow pattern. Here, go to the My Client group, and under the My Client group, you have option of the payroll. Click on it and just go to the administration option. Under this, you have payroll flow pattern. For creating new one, click on the action button and then click on create. Here, select the legislative data group if you want, because it's not mandatory. So if you want to continue without legislative data group, you can continue. Here, fill the appropriate name for your payroll flow pattern. And the flow status is already active. If you want to choose any other option, you can choose here the connector status. If you want to select the parameters only, you can select here. Then select the activities to include. According to this according to this activity, you have the available task here. Like if I select calculate, according to the calculate, the task is appear in this box. The calculate payroll and verify calculate task and run gross to net report. Then click on the next option. Here, if you, this is the task page. Here, if you want to add another task, you can click on the action button and then click on select and add option. Here, select the task and then click on the OK to add it here. And if you want to delete any one of these tasks, you can select and then click on the delete option. Then click on the next option for go to the task sequence page. Here, if you want to change the sequence of your task, then you can select and then click on the edit option. Then select the verify, then runs to gross. So I just arrange the first one, the start calculate payroll, and here the verify calculate task, and after that click on the run to gross, then click on the next option. Here give the parameter for your payroll flow pattern. Just click on action button, then select and add. Here search for the parameters. like run type. So this is the parameter we select. The display and display format, lookup, sequence, parameter basis is already here. Then click on the next option. These are the flow tasks. Then again, click on the next option for review the information. Then click on the submit option. So this is how we can create the payroll flow pattern without copying the existing one. So let's search for the payroll we just created. So this is the payroll flow pattern we just created. So I hope it is clear to you how we can create the payroll flow pattern without scratch or we can say without copying it. Thank you so much for watching.